Hey guys, Miss Stefan here. Welcome back to my channel. So ColourPop came up with some lip glosses and Makeup by Shars. Also here on YouTube, she put me onto them, so I actually purchased a few, and so I wanted to swatch them. And these retail for $6, I think. So let me just take them out the package and then I come back. So this is what the packaging looks like. And so they are called So Juicy Plumping Gloss. Watch out. So I actually bought two clear gloss, and at the top it shows you the shades the gloss comes in. So I'm going to take them out and I'm going to swatch them on my bare lips. Alright, so I'm going to take them out the box. Of course I said one is for my kit, so I basically just have 3 shades to show you. Okay, so these are the shades that I bought. So I'm going to be doing quick swatches, so this video will be really short and sweet. So yeah, I just wanted to try them out on camera. So it's a lip plumping gloss, so it does have like a minty stingy effect, just to poke that lips. Okay, so I remove all the foundation off my lips so that I can give you a proper swatch. So I'm first going to go in with the So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Roundabout, and it has a pink tint to it. It's really pretty. So this can be worn alone, and it can go on top of a shade. Ooh, this is so nice.
Boy, just rest, lay down and let me cover you with all these kisses.
Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this one. It's not sticky, it's just right. Like, it's the perfect gloss. Shars, thanks for putting me onto this. Alright, my lips are pink now. So when I wipe off my lips though, it does get a little sticky, but yeah, ooh, my lips on fire. No, my lips on fire for real. So I am going to go in with the So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and this is in Feels Like Summer. So let's try Feels Like Summer. I love this one. So I'm actually have to purchase these for my kid. I need these shades for my kid.
Boy, just rest, lay down and let me cover you with all these kisses.
So this shade, it has a tint of nude mixed with glitter. So this is so cute. I love this one. Like, I can't choose a favorite now. I can't. Okay, so let's try the clear gloss, and the clear one is called Princess Cut, and of course it's just oh my god, I'm so excited. Shars, thank you. Like, juicy. Oh my god, yeah, I've been wanting a good clear gloss. So yeah, that's all the gloss I purchased, and I love all 3 of them. I think I've been wanting a clear gloss for the longest while, and I just never think for like purchase no other gloss, cause I mean I love the Victoria's Secret gloss, but those are always, it has shades in it, so I wanted a clear gloss. And I love lip plumping gloss. I love the tingling feeling, you know, on my lips. Even though this, when I first tried it, listen, my lips burned me like the minty thing in it. It was a lot, but I loved it nonetheless. And so yeah, this pretty much wraps up this video. I love you guys so much. If you're feeling these glasses, run over to ColourPop and purchase them. It's like $6, legit $6. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies.